In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very quick tutorial on how to reset taskbar to default settings here in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you'll be able to bring this one. So from that, you need to navigate to the left pane and locate where the option called personalization. Click on it. Once you have opened the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and locate for taskbar. Click on this one, and eventually you'd be able to bring up the taskbar settings. So in order to reset taskbar to default settings, all you need to do is you need to navigate first here at the taskbar items, go with the search, click on this down arrow key and go with search box. Once done, you need to turn on the task view, the widgets. Okay, and here for the system tray icons, you need to identify those icons that you would like to show here to the taskbar. So if you would like to show the pen menu, you can turn this on. If you would like to show the touch keyboard, you can click on this down arrow key and go with always. And if you would want to go with virtual touchpad, you can also turn that on. So here under the system, other system tray icons or other system tray icons, right? Yes, all you need to do is you need to navigate here and then you need to turn on the hidden icon menu. In that way, you'd be able to restore it to the default settings. So another way is that here at the taskbar behaviors rather, under the alignment, click on this down arrow key and proceed to the center. Since the taskbar alignment the default setting for the taskbar alignment is in the center. And here uncheck days automatically hide the taskbar because that would hide the taskbar. And here you need to check this show badges and taskbar apps, show flashing on taskbar apps, share any window from the taskbar, select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. So once you've set that one, you can now close the window and there you have it. You have just successfully reset taskbar to the default settings. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.